Hey guys, it's Coach Jeremy. Today I'm going to be talking about tools for mobility and also talking about breath and how to utilize the two to get maximum results. So we're just going to look at a few tools. We have our traditional foam roller. These now come in all shapes, forms, and sizes. The main thing is you want something that you can roll on to compress and work your muscles so we can get some relief. So foam roller is one. Next I would go to is a ball, which is going to be more targeted and specific to get into deeper portions of the muscle and to penetrate maybe what we would call knots in our muscles. We can also get into hard to reach areas in our back, so on and so forth. So we always like to have some sort of ball. They can range from softer to harder, lacrosse balls, soft balls, or very specific trigger point balls such as this. Then we have bands that we also can utilize for stretching and reaching larger ranges of motion that can give us some feedback while we're utilizing this for some of our exercises. And also we have different tactile working tools such as this Mobo tool that has softer, harder, different ranges of rubber that can also give us some ranges as well, because we can place this on walls and get some more angles that we can work. So always looking at creative tools such as this that we can use. And then last but not least is our floss, which we can allow to compress muscles and tack down certain areas that we can really want to get recovery with that we might not be able to reach with these tools, like the inner thigh, getting a 360 compression, then reducing that by taking it off and allowing blood flow to reach that region and allow it to recover and repair. So whenever we're taking care of ourselves with self-care, it's very important to have multiple tools that you can get recovery with. Now, talking about breathing, all these tools are powerful, but with breathing, it's magnified due to the breath and oxygenation of sending blood to the region that you're working, so the blood can do the recovery work that it needs to allow the muscles to get the elasticity and the rebound effect that we're looking for in that supple, youthful muscle. So making sure that we're breathing through our nose and out through our mouth when we're coming into tense points in our muscles that we have pain, that is feedback for us to breathe in our nose and out through our mouth. That will allow the recovery, and once again, oxygenating the blood, allowing us to recover, repair, and get relief.